good morning to all of you. Hopefully you all are doing well and you are utilizing many functions, all the functions in different videos told to you, and you are good at the usage of phone whenever it comes to entertainment, whenever it comes to self obsession, and whenever it comes to study. So it doesn't matter the category is what, phone can be useful for each and every aspect in your life. Today I am having an application here that is Collage Maker, and just let's see how it is going to enhance our photos, videos. Actually the photos, Collage Maker is always for the photos, not the videos. So let's see how it can be made there. And now what's new, they are telling us now we have to try it, and after trying it we have to go to the further albums. I am in camera now, and I am adding few pictures here. If you want to see which picture is here, then you have to just long press on the picture and just see the picture is on the screen. And if you want to select the picture, then just click on the picture for once. Now it is added for once. If you will click on the similar picture again, then it will be added twice. If you will again, then it will be added for 4 times. And if you want to cross the pictures here, then at the bottom you can see there is red cross on the pictures. Then you can cross any you want from here. So just see here, these are two, I am crossing it. And now just see, these are the pictures I have added. This is the way how you select the pictures to make a collage. Now click on the next button, and after this ad we will be able to get our collage. Just see on the screen how beautifully the frame is adjusted. Just the thing is, pictures would be beautiful. I have chosen very random pictures, very much like sleeky pictures, and you have to choose good pictures of with your face and make a collage. Now if you want to choose the layout, that's the very first one, and I like that, but there are others as well. Just see here, and few are here are from Pro. Like the ones written with Pro, they can be used while where you have paid for application, and we have not paid, so we are just going to use this. And now you can see that that's the way how you can apply the pictures. I am using this one. Now when I am using this one, just see, I can adjust the size of each frame there. I can adjust its location. Now I am increasing its size and again adjusting its location, and now I am increasing its size and in changing its location. And just see how you can adjust each and everything by your choice. Next is this, and now I am adjusting its location, and the second last one is there. Now its location is there, and just see, now the last one is here to be consulted. And just see, you can adjust the frames by your choice. That's the most beneficial thing about this application, that you can add a picture, you can subtract a picture, you can adjust the size of the picture by your choice. So just see here, it has been now added. That's how I have adjusted my frame, and you can see how much it was in start. And you can adjust the picture's location, like which you want to have. You want to like this, if you want to move it by touching the arrow. And that's also, you can, if you want to cross any picture from between, like I am going to cross one black from here. Now I can adjust the size of the pictures and the movements according to me. Like this one I have added, this one and this one, just see. And next is again for like this, and you can just see how I am adjusting the frames here like this. And the last one is like this again, and that's how I have adjusted the pictures. If there would be another one, then you can add here. Now that's how you can change the layout. You can adjust the layout by yourself, and how it's gonna help you. Click on the tick button and the layout is just adjusted. Now check the ratio. Like if you want to customize the ratio, I am customizing it to by 0. Click on OK, and they are saying the ratio should be between 0.5 and 3. So I am adjusting here 0.5 and 3. Click on the tick button. They are again asking it means there's something wrong, and you can adjust the ratio by your size between 0.5 and 3. Next is the Instagram's one, Instagram feed, and the normal one, the Facebook cover. And next the device, like your phone has which size, so it will be adjusted to that. Then the Twitter post, it's here. Next the full is, that's the one we have edited. Next the background. When it comes to background, change the background and click on the tick button. And border lines, you can add text to it, and you can add stickers, frame, filter, and draw. And after all that, click on the save button, and it will be saved to your gallery after 100%.